What if I told you that one of the most powerful medicinal plants on the planet is currently growing in backyards across the world, completely ignored by those who pass it by? Most people are familiar with the sweet, tropical flavor of the guava fruit, but very few realize that the true biological treasure of the tree isn't the fruit at all, it is the leaf. For centuries, traditional healers in Southeast Asia, Africa, and Central America have used guava leaves as a universal remedy for everything from stubborn coughs to metabolic disorders. But today, the world of modern pharmacology is finally pulling back the curtain on this green pharmacy. Imagine a natural substance that could block sugar from entering your bloodstream, soothe a turbulent digestive system in minutes, and act as an internal beauty serum for your skin and hair, all for the price of a few dried leaves and a cup of hot water. In a world where we are increasingly reliant on synthetic pills with long lists of side effects, Guava Leaf Tea offers a return to a more primitive, potent, and balanced way of healing. Whether you are a young athlete looking for better recovery, a busy professional trying to manage stress-related inflammation, or someone looking to protect your heart and kidneys as you age, the chemistry of the guava leaf has something specifically for you. Today, we are going to explore the 7 exact science-backed benefits of guava leaf tea. We are moving past the general wellness claims and looking at the specific polyphenols, flavonoids, and antioxidants that make this tea a biological powerhouse. But there's a catch. If you prepare this tea incorrectly or drink it at the wrong time of day, you could be missing out on up to 70% of its active medicinal compounds. Stay with me until the end, because I am going to reveal the steeping secret, a critical, overlooked habit regarding water temperature and timing that determines whether your tea is just a flavored drink or a life-changing medicine. If you are ready to unlock the secrets of the green pharmacy, pay close attention to these 7 benefits. Regulating blood glucose and insulin sensitivity. The first and most critical benefit of guava leaf tea is its profound impact on your blood sugar levels. In our modern diet, we are constantly bombarding our bodies with refined carbohydrates and hidden sugars. This leads to chronic insulin spikes that eventually damage our blood vessels and exhaust our pancreas. Guava leaf tea contains a group of specific polyphenols that act as gatekeepers in your digestive tract. When you drink this tea with or after a meal, these compounds inhibit the activity of an enzyme called alpha-glucosidase. This enzyme is responsible for breaking down starch and sugar into glucose. By slowing this process down, guava leaf tea prevents that sharp, dangerous sugar spike that usually follows a meal. A landmark study published in Nutrition and Metabolism found that guava leaf tea can reduce post-meal blood sugar levels by more than 10% in both healthy individuals and those with prediabetes. By flattening the glucose curve, you aren't just managing your weight, you are protecting your kidneys and nerves from the corrosive effects of high sugar. It is a natural way to regain metabolic control without the harsh crash that follows typical carb-heavy meals. Benefit number 2 is the protection of your cardiovascular system. We often hear about the silent killers, cholesterol and triglycerides. Over time, high levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, can oxidize and turn into a sticky sludge that narrows your arteries, leading to heart disease and high blood pressure. Guava leaf tea acts as a biological degreaser for your blood. The leaves are rich in antioxidants that prevent cholesterol from oxidizing in your bloodstream. Furthermore, research has shown that regular consumption of guava leaf tea for 8 weeks can significantly lower serum cholesterol and bad triglycerides without negatively affecting the good HDL cholesterol. By improving your lipid profile, you are reducing the mechanical workload on your heart. Think of it as a daily maintenance routine for your arteries, ensuring that your blood remains thin and moves effortlessly through your system. This is vital for everyone, from young adults with a family history of heart issues to those already managing hypertension. Number 3, optimizing digestive health and weight management. The third benefit targets the engine room of your body, the gut. Guava leaf tea is a potent antimicrobial and astringent. It contains high levels of tannins, which are natural compounds that help to shrink and soothe the lining of the intestines. If you suffer from chronic bloating, indigestion, or occasional diarrhea, this tea works as a natural stabilizing agent. But the real viral interest in guava leaf tea comes from its relationship to weight loss. While no tea is a magic fat-melting potion, guava leaf tea helps by preventing the conversion of complex starches into stored fats. Because it regulates blood sugar, it also regulates cravings. When your insulin is stable, your hunger hormones like ghrelin remain balanced, meaning you are far less likely to reach for a sugary snack in the middle of the afternoon. By improving digestive efficiency and curbing the insulin fat storage cycle, guava leaf tea becomes a powerful ally in any weight management journey. Number 4. Enhancing skin texture and combating acne. Benefit number 4 moves from the internal to the external. Guava leaves are packed with vitamin C and flavonoids like quercetin, which are essential for the health of your skin. Most people spend hundreds of dollars on topical serums, but true skin health starts with internal cellular repair. The powerful antioxidants in guava leaf tea fight oxidative stress, the biological rust that causes wrinkles, dark spots, and loss of elasticity. But for the younger generation, the antimicrobial properties are the most exciting part. Guava leaves contain compounds that are highly effective at killing the bacteria that cause acne and skin breakouts. Some people even use the cooled tea as a facial rinse to reduce inflammation and tighten pores. Whether you drink it to boost collagen production from the inside out or use it topically to clear your complexion, guava leaf tea is nature's most affordable beauty elixir. Number 5. Reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. In our high-stress, high-anxiety world, our nervous systems are often stuck in a state of fight or flight. This is where benefit number 5 comes in. Guava leaf tea contains specific catechins and antioxidants that have a mild, natural sedative effect on the central nervous system. Unlike a sleeping pill that knocks you out chemically, guava leaf tea helps to lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your blood. By quieting the mind and relaxing the physical tension in your muscles, it allows you to transition into deep sleep more naturally. Many people report that a warm cup of guava leaf tea an hour before bed leads to fewer nighttime awakenings and a more refreshed feeling in the morning. It is a way to unplug your brain from the digital chaos of the day, allowing for the glymphatic system to perform its nightly brain detox without interruption. Number 6. Clearing respiratory pathways and immune support. Benefit number 6 addresses your body's primary defense system. Guava leaves are actually higher in vitamin C than the fruit itself. This high concentration of vitamin C, combined with the leaf's natural anti-inflammatory properties, makes it a powerful remedy for respiratory issues. When you have a cough, cold, or bronchitis, the mucous membranes in your throat and lungs become inflamed and thick. Guava leaf tea acts as an expectorant, helping to thin out mucus and soothe the irritation in the bronchioles. It also contains powerful bioflavonoids that prevent the release of histamines, making it a potential natural aid for those suffering from seasonal allergies. Drinking this tea during the flu season is like providing your immune system with a high-octane fuel, ensuring that your white blood cells are ready to defend against any invading pathogens. 7th, promoting hair growth and scalp vitality. Finally, we have the benefit that has taken the internet by storm, hair health. If you are struggling with hair thinning, hair loss, or a dry, itchy scalp, guava leaf tea might be the solution you've been looking for. This works through both internal consumption and topical application. The high levels of vitamin B and vitamin C in the leaves are the building blocks of hair follicles. When used as a scalp rinse, the tea improves blood circulation irrigation to the roots and provides a concentrated dose of antioxidants that protect the scalp from fungal infections and dandruff. Many people swear by the guava rinse, boiling the leaves, letting the water cool, and massaging it into the scalp for 20 minutes before washing. It strengthens the hair shaft from the root, leading to less breakage and a more vibrant natural shine. Now we come to the one habit that determines if this tea is medicine or just flavored water, the steeping secret. The most common mistake people make is using boiling water and only letting the leaves sit for 2 or 3 minutes. Guava leaves are thick and fibrous. They do not give up their medicinal polyphenols easily. To unlock the full green pharmacy, you must use water that is just below boiling, about 190 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius, and you must let it steep for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you are using fresh leaves, you should bruise or tear them first to break the cellular walls and release the oils. Furthermore, for the best metabolic results, you should drink your first cup about 15 minutes before your largest meal of the day. This primes your alpha-glucosidase enzymes to manage the coming carbohydrates. Your body is designed to be healthy, but it needs the right tools to maintain that balance. Guava leaf tea is one of those ancient tools that has stood the test of time and science. By adding this simple backyard remedy to your daily routine, you are supporting your heart, your metabolism, your skin, and your mind. You are choosing to step away from the world of quick-fix pills and moving toward a world of sustainable, natural longevity. Start tomorrow, 1 cup steeped properly before lunch. Listen to your body, watch your energy levels, and pay attention to how your skin and digestion respond. If you found this information life-saving, please hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed ways to reclaim your health. Comment Green Pharmacy below if you are joining us in this challenge. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.